the law company, works for the mafia, and he makes a deal with the CIA, and his brother is coming out of prison, and that's Grave Race Blues, when he just came out. What you heard is a simple rip, good with DB Power Amp, the only system that is bit correct when you rip a CD, just CD format.